At least you have an agenda which is common as OB. We can discuss whether that is there. So please, let's call it a meeting. I guess someone is taking the battle. That is Alma. Let's have it right now. So before we go further, let's give preference to these two beautiful, eloquent, charming, unique, gorgeous, sexy, wonderful ladies to introduce themselves. Please, let's call it a meeting, please. I guess we have another issue. We are working on time. I know wherever ladies are, there are so much of distractions. That's one is sure. You can see series of them, they are being distracted by their colleagues now. Please. The next agenda, you can go to the okay, we go to the next agenda. We're going to the meeting. Guys, please, let's have it right now. Ladies and gents, you know, after everything, we have a lot of action to do. But please, let's have it right now, please. You know, we all know why we are here and we're here for this meeting. At least to discuss pertinent issues. You know, I will push BDC primary school forward. You know, I know we've missed ourselves. Some of us, we are happy in seeing our crushes, our darlings, you know, our loved ones here. So we are happy because, you know, we discuss that maybe at least here is perfect. After the meeting, you take your own. After the meeting, carry your load. I'll carry my left hand meeting. I'll carry my load.
So I don't know why you went to
after the meeting, I'll carry my load.
I'm on your phone. I don't know why you
yes, sir. After the meeting, if you don't see me, then you don't see what I'm posting. And I'm posting, I will carry.
Okay. For us,
Okay, so the purpose of the meeting. We have four key issues that we're discussing on. One, we are talking of togetherness, unity, oneness, and we're going to discuss adventures. Adventures there is how we can push BDC forward. Of course, unity, togetherness, and oneness. Of course, I can say it's just the same. They are related and intertwined. But how we should push BDC forward, what are the ways? Everybody's going to give his or her own view. How you think BDC primary school usually role, which has been a source of light to some of us. Some of us are progressing, as we are up there, we all BDC primary school a lot. So we should be grateful and we should thank for that. So it's everyone's view. We all know what we're talking about. Oneness, unity, and discovering new adventure. So, talking of togetherness, let me just look at the speaker. We're going to give preference to some people to talk on some certain issues. Togetherness, unity, oneness, and discovering new adventures. How you think in your own way, BDC primary school can push forward? What are the ways? How do you think we can stand on that? Go back to the drawing board and make the betterment of BDC primary school. So I start with subject to my speaker. So in my study.
I thank you all. Yeah, we talk from the togetherness because what we have already done here is one of the because for us together here this afternoon, it is a privilege because when we talk of togetherness, it is one of the factual things that can push on a particular organization or a particular program. That is what we have already done here today. Because since it has taken a long time, most of us have not been seeing each other. But since God has ordained and remarked that day, which is today, for us to see and interact with each other, I can say this one is a togetherness. So the togetherness can only be effective if only we take our drastic measures. That is to say, we are not going to stop being communicating with each other since we have started now. So for the togetherness to be effective, we must have to be checking on each other every now and then. Because BDC has caused so many things in our life. For us to stand today and speak out there, or for us to stand today to talk anything outside there, it's determined for BDC. Because BDC has 2 minutes, you have 2 minutes, has created so much impact in us. Trust me, for us to be called, whatever name we have been called today, it depends on BDC. So like today we are here for us to discuss on certain issues that is going on with and without the concept of the school presently. Because the reason we didn't all on the meeting in school, we can talk on that later. It's better we run on the meeting there for us to see when it is not effective, we can show up our purpose at which we are coming together for us to create this group and this great forum. So please, we have to be checking on each other in whatever way, either by calling or by communicating in a group. Now we have some guys here, they can only talk in a group when they are having their colleagues that they have familiarity with before this time in school. That doesn't mean it is a togetherness. It is now because we are now together, we have to come together in whatever program for us to call ourselves a BDC Student Association. And lastly, I want to say it is a privilege also the person that gave us this place, that person also attended BDC. But it happens, it was around 2012. The guy left BDC, and that's how we have gone. So it's a great opportunity that has been given to us. Thank you all.
Thanks so very much, Safia, for that wonderful statement. Of course, if I can summarize what he just said, he said, togetherness is about us coming together. You know, you made BDC a priority. In as much as BDC Primary School, we attended there, so like we owe the school a great deal of commitment. And we show light on commitment of talking to the group, because I can say there are some guys that will be online, you know, like guys like me, will be online without getting a group, you know, they say verbally again. So I don't know. So please, you know, we have groups, we have a lot of chats in our phone, or at least let's prioritize BDC group. You know, by talking there regularly or by communicating, you know, it will do a lot. You know, when you're online, at least just leave message hi. You know, when anybody online or when somebody comes online, they respond to your message. But at least just make sure at least a day, you know, you drop your message. You know, whatever thing you have pertinent to the group, like, you know, when the group is having one or two, sorry, when the school is having one or two, three challenges, you know, you can pop in there. This is what BDC is going through. Then you can see how you can put hand on them, because it's togetherness and oneness. We've all been through a lot. So by us coming together, I think whatever little resources we are having, you know, we can push this forward. So thank you very much for that statement. You have minutes, please.
Let us be attentive, please.
Let's be attentive, please. Mohammed Salah, the king of the kings, the Baba is talking.
Yes. We are talking about unity, togetherness, and oneness. I can say all these are one body. They are talking of one thing. That is how to put ourselves together to be in a unity form and to promote this organization. So with that light, I may say, even Allah says it inside the Quran. He says, whenever there are two people trying to form an organization, his hand on top of that organization. So with that light, we can say there is Allah in our Islam. So let us take that as a cognizance for every time. So I want to bring an organization bearing a statement which says there is a president, you know, I'm a politician actually, but not practicing the activity but the theory. We do not do the activity, but we will practicalize it, and after say we do the theory and critique them. So for Tanzania, we have a president there who really elevates that country in a good way. Before then, Tanzania was a very poor country and a country which was not in that economic form. So when the president came into power, he made sure he elevated Tanzania and the economic status have to be boosted in that way. How did he do? What are the aims and objectives he put on? Well, he gathered his PPOs, gathered his subjects, that he said, yes, for us to develop in Tanzania, we have to put some 1-2 strategic things there so that Tanzania could be developed. What are the aims he put on? He said, we have to take all the facilities and all the opportunities we have in our city here to that of the village. So if they take education, hospitality, electricity, right to the village, when they took it here, they have to embark on agriculture. But all these cannot achieve without togetherness and oneness. When they came together, the president and all subjects, he took all his subjects to the village here to embark on agriculture. So when they embark on that agriculture, they see that yes, they produce a good economy and Tanzania became today. So it really want to develop in this organization, we have to be in a unity form, and we have to speak togetherness and oneness. So in that light, we believe and all get assurance that this organization will move forward. So exactly because the togetherness and oneness we are talking about here will be a good thing to be on if really we bring and grow unity which can boost up the organization. That's what I can do.
Thank you very much. Actually, we want to give preference to everyone to give his or her own view. You know, let's talk to the ladies side now. This is ladies.
No, Mr. Chairman, as I have observed,
Really, the gender equality is not balanced.
chemically it is not balanced.
I want us to balance.
Chemically it is not balanced.
Ladies and gents, I'm also asking on SO4 to say there's a privilege for each and every one. If you have a chance to talk, maybe you talk. I understand. If not Creole, well, Minister, follow you communicate, please. It's not matter of fact for people to speak English. Any language you want. You're not yet 17 languages.
If you didn't make me, if you didn't Chinese, that won't change your
whatever we have gathered here for, we are in Jesus' name. For those who are not here, purpose of the meeting is togetherness, oneness, and discovery.
You only have 1 minute.
Right. So, one thing I want to emphasize on is togetherness. If we are not committed in okay, what I was trying to say is that our purpose is to see that we work very hard, give a sacrifice to achieve something. And by God's grace, we have started it already. And I believe that we are going to work together to accomplish it. Together it has to do a lot in this meeting, and has to do a lot in the group, and has to do a lot with what we are about to accomplish. One, we have to be committed. Committed in what?
That's the only language we follow people.
Forget what I was saying earlier on. That we have to be committed, we have to show concern, caring, and love for each other. Now that we're here, some of us are finding it very difficult to interact in the likes of this girl sitting here. I can't remember her name anymore. But for me, all I'm seeing is that she's feeling so lonely. I don't know why, but you have to be up and interact. The reason being, we are all friends. And one thing I can always remember is that we used to be very close and interacting. We never had boring days back then. So please, let's continue the good things, and let's continue to show love and the same concern we have back then. So that will help us to reach to what we have said already. Okay, so the commitment here has to do with, we have already created a WhatsApp platform, and some of you who are not there, try to add it up. So we'll be communicating there, and whatsoever we are about to do, we discuss there, okay? Some of us are not currently living in Go. As you all know, I've been, for the past 10 years, if I can say, I've been far away, and I'm lucky to be here this moment by the grace of God. And it is an opportunity to be here with you all. I pray that we have the chance to meet again. So after the meeting, we'll conclude to what we'll be doing and how far we'll be meeting once in a while. Thank you all.
Chairman, Mr. Chairman,
Mr. Chair,
Albert,
I'm only
you go talk.
Who is next guy. Ruth has already so like on one end, so then she let's put it next Princess, you're going to be the next speaker. The next. Yes, do you have anything to tell us? Do you have anything to tell us? Do you have anything to tell us?
Well, as for me, I'm very glad for us to be together again after how many years. And I am glad because of what you have, people have chosen for us to follow is a good idea. So we all have to work together to put things in place so that we will take the name of this to higher level. So I thank you all for all your, because you left everything just to have just for you to attend this meeting. So I'm happy for the idea.
Thank you, at least you said something. At least you talk. How much about talk? How much about the senior of mathematics in the mathematics? When I the woman talk, and we got to see the mathematics. In the flag, in the check, in the blood, this is the mathematics. I pass the mathematics in the
Where are you now?
That's the one that's over. I don't interrupt you, yeah? I don't interrupt you. Oh my God, wait, get up again with it.
You ain't fast. You don't want to fast. Just say, oh yeah. Hold on, you're not going to breathe. Stop. Nobody's going anywhere down here. Hey, you're going to see the road. You go back to the road. It is a time last week.
Hey! What's that I mean?
This is not the person of our time.
Daddy, hey, you people, we are not seeing you in this camera. You know, these little things that we used to neglect, the things that take so.
Why we forget to put it outside, eh?
Hey, wait till for the Albert. Albert, let someone eat there.